Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Photoshop Elements Custom Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into today's poster. Wants to know how to fix the outside edges of this photo. This is an old family photo that's really faded, and the center is looking a little better, but the outside's kind of faded and a lot brighter. So we want to somehow fix that. Now the problem I'm seeing right now is, firstly, is that this photo is actually a gray photo or a true black and white. So when I go to enhance, there's a bunch of things it's not going to allow me to do. I try to hit smart fix or smart tone or haze removal, and it's not allowing me to because it's a true black and white photo. You can only do that with color photos. So let's change this into a color photo. I'm going to use an external program called Screen Hunter Pro, and I'm going to hit it and take a picture, which will automatically turn it into a regular JPEG. And I'm going to crop it in the meantime like this to get rid of the portions that we don't need on this photo from here to here. And I just took that picture. I'm going to go ahead and close that out, bring in that new picture that is now in a color photo. You can see up here it's RGB. If I go to enhance, now everything is highlighted. Now I can try everything that I want. The first thing I'm going to try is this haze removal right here. Auto haze removal. That's probably going to take care of the photo altogether. Watch what happens when I click it. Boom. It just pretty much fixed the whole photo almost perfectly. So there's not much else we need to do. But I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And let's try that by hand. So first I'm going to do is make a copy of this image. I'm going to right click up here on the layers and duplicate the layer. And I made two copies. I'll turn off the top copy. On the bottom copy, let's go ahead and fix the center of the photo. Forget about the outsides. Let's make the center look really good. I'll go to Enhance, Adjust Lighting, and Brightness and Contrast. So what I want to do is bring the lighting down just a little bit, bring the contrast up so it makes it nice and rich between the blacks and the whites. This is looking pretty good right around there. Now the outside is getting even more degraded, but that's okay. I'll hit OK because we're going to fix that up on the top layer. I'll turn that bottom layer off, turn the top layer on, which takes us back to our original looking photo. And let's fix the outside. Doing the same thing. Enhance, Adjust Lighting, Brightness and Contrast. Now, while I'm adjusting the outside, the center is going to get probably too dark. So I'm going to bring this contrast really high. Don't worry about the center. Just look at the outside. And then bring those lights, the brightness is down on the outside. This is looking pretty good. I'm going to overdo it just a little bit to show you the difference. Here's the before and after. So the after is looking better on the outside. I'm going to hit OK. And now when I turn on the background, you can't see the bottom layer because they're on top of each other. But if I were to take an eraser, this eraser is too small. I'm going to come down here. Make sure it's a nice soft brush. If I scroll up, you can see these brushes are hard. I'm going to scroll down here and grab like a 45 point. That's way too small. I'm going to change that 45 to a 750 point. And look how big that is. So now when I tap on it right in the middle will get brighter to match the outside a little better. Here it goes. Boom. See that? It's getting brighter, and I can just kind of play around with it. If I want to see how much I'm actually taking away, I can temporarily turn off the bottom layer, and you can see exactly what I took away from the top to let that bottom layer show through. And this is how you get these layers to kind of merge and make the whole photo look a little bit better. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.